What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video, and today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I have here ONFORU. They were nice enough to send their RGB 4-in-1 package right here, and this comes with 20-watt RGB flat lights. These are also waterproof, IP66. You can use this light outside your house or inside. Now personally I will use this light inside my house so I can brighten this room up a little bit, make it a little bit more colorful. And these lights 4-in-1 goes for $59, and you guys will be surprised with the build quality. I'll show you guys real quick. I did test one of these light and I was really impressed, so I was like, you know what, let me share with you guys, so you guys let me know what you guys think. So let me open this box real quick. Now after opening the box, you will find the installation guide right here. Okay, and also what I like about these RGB lights, these comes with dedicated remote. Now why dedicated remote is really cool, so let's put it this way, you don't need 4 of these RGB lights. You can actually give one light to your friend or family and you can give them a dedicated remote, so you don't have to worry because each lights comes with dedicated remotes right here. Now let me open one remote and show you guys. These also comes with batteries, so you don't need to buy battery, so you guys can see right here. Okay, with this remote you can adjust the brightness, you can turn the RGB light on or off, and you can actually change color. You also have flash mode, strobe mode, fade mode, and smooth mode. So that's really cool. You need to pull this plastic out before you start using the remote, so basically it's keeping the battery safe. Alright, so you got 4 of these, and here we have all these RGB lights, so hopefully you guys can see right here. Okay, so let me pull one out real quick for you guys so we can talk about the build quality. Now the build quality where these RGB LED flat lights really shine. So you guys can see glass front. Okay, let me take this off real quick. Let me take this. All right, so you guys can see the front glass right here. Okay, and then the light is made out of metal, so you guys can see the frame is made out of metal, so that's really cool. You also get this stand right here, so you can mount it on the wall or you can hang it, so that's really cool. And also you get a very good quality power cable. Okay, 3-pin, and these RGB LED lights comes with 12 LED bulbs, so you guys can see 12 LED bulbs, so that's really nice. So I can only imagine how bright these will look. I did test one and it was really bright, and I think these are perfect for, like, if you have a studio and you want to make your studio little colorful with different color, so you can put in different angle. Most likely I'll put one behind my chair right here and maybe behind my monitor, so I don't know, these are definitely good for studio. And like I told you guys, this comes with IP66, so these are waterproof. I see some glues and stuff here, like I think weather seal. Now let me pull one more light out. So build quality is same. Okay, same thing, metal build. So we have 2 of these here, and here's the third one. All right, so for $59 you get 4 of these. That's really nice, guys. So I remember I bought one LED light behind me right here, only comes with one LED bulb, and I paid around like what, $15 for that one, and you guys can see it's not even all that bright, so these should get the job done. Alright guys, so real quick let me plug these to my wall, and then we'll see how this thing perform. So let's jump in. So it's kind of dark here right now because I don't have my softbox on, because I want you guys to see how these LED RGB lights perform. So I have 4 of these LED RGB light plugged into my power strip right here, as you guys can see, and I can use all this remote with these LED RGB lights, but I can also use only one. Okay, so let me just show you guys. See, I just power one here. Yeah, automatically the other one powered on also. So let me turn off this one. All right, so let me show you guys how bright is this one. So here I have like red color, so let me change this to like pink, and you guys can see this thing is bright. Now let me lower a little bit. Okay, and you also have the option like flash, strobe, fade, smooth mode. So how about flash mode right here? This thing is bright. Strobe. Okay, and fade. And how about smooth? All right, and you can also change colors right here. You have red, orange, green, pink, blue. The blue, okay, yellow, light blue, and this thing is really bright. Now let me turn it off real quick. Now I also like these because these are not all that big. Like the height is around maybe 3.5 inches, and the length is around like 4.5 inches. Yeah, so not all that big. So definitely you can put these lights anywhere, okay, behind your chairs, you know, maybe under your desk, or you can just put it outside. Now let me flip this light and let me show you guys how bright this thing gets. So I have all these 4 lights here, so let me turn these on. Okay, like I told you guys, you can use one remote. You don't have to use dedicated remote if you don't want. You can use one remote to basically turn all of them on and off. So let me set this to like fade mode. Fade, fade, fade. Okay, so you guys can see these lights are really bright, guys. So if I turn off my room light, there you go. My room light is turned off right now, and as you guys can see, and also these lights doesn't get all that hot. So yeah, these are nice and cool. So let me set the first one to red, second one to dark blue, and then the third one to pink, and the last one to orange. Okay, so you guys can see here. I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but these things are bright. Okay? So the build quality where this thing shines, that's my favorite part. And also these are IP66, I told you before. Also 20 watts, not so bad. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to check these out, I'll leave a link in the video's description. You guys can definitely check these ONFORU RGB LED floodlights, 4-in-1, definitely worth it. Check out. If you guys have any question, leave your question in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. And see you guys next one. Peace, guys.